Ain't no intro. This grill someplace. I just put the hood down and I just noticed the grill's missing. Tight fit for this intercooler, man. This shit got the buck teeth popping out. Need a little massaging on these corners here. I never liked the fucking Mk4 clips that hold the bumpers on anyway. It's like pull back, push on kind of premise, but whatever. It's this whole thing about the sea paint body, or down at Mike's anyway. But it's just complete. Right, we about to jack up the rear end, get the rest of this exhaust down. Right, I showed you this 3-inch one over here. Right, that's, I just got to weld a bunch of V-bands too. And I think the other portion, here we go, it's right here. I got to add a flex pipe to that as well. I'm still missing my AFR, so, and an injector. But I have the computer. Let's go over here. This is our ECU. But I don't want to really pop that shit on until I have the injector and an AFR so we don't blow anything the fuck up. So up until then, I'm about to go pick up Jordan from work real quick. Then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna wrestle off this old shit. And probably just gonna cut it the fuck out. I won't chop it up in a bunch of pieces because we could probably repurpose it someplace else, but I'm gonna take that one down, get the new one up, and a bunch of welding, man. A whole bunch of welding. I use grip tape for my pedals. Well, stock pedals are garbage. Plastic, slip a lot. Skateboard grip tape, you're good to go. And ain't no outro. See you on the next one. Be back soon. So this is some sort of special kind of muffler. It's got a vacuum line. It looks like it's got a like an open dump. It's like vacuum operated. Anywho, take a look at this. Right, normally there's something here that bolts this to that, and it looks like this is like a Shea Stadium kind of job where they just got it up there and welded it in place. So I'm gonna have to cut this bitch out, and then it looks like the silencer or something, or a cat, whatever the fuck it is, it's about to come out. So that was a nice little surprise. And yeah, I said I was about to go get Jordan. I'm about to go get Jordan from work, and he's still waiting. Kind of want to shave this. This is the fucking logo popped off. I'm supposed to live there. Wow, janky. Right, but I like to delete that and the windshield like I did on my Mk4. But look, ain't no outro. I'm about to be back with it in a little bit. Let me go get this kid from work. I want to get this exhaust up and push this bitch out because we're going to put something else in here. I'm waiting for more parts. That's what it is. So, but I got all the parts I need for the next thing. I think I'm about to fuck with the Mk4. It's sneezing season. Ain't no outro.